Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl NeyahNecole, and I am back with another video. Okay, I know this is not your typical intro. This is not me, but hey, your girl is getting ready for a trip, and I just needed to get some type of content out for Vlogmas, so I did not miss a day. Okay, so stay tuned for the travel vlogs. Those will be coming ASAP. Okay, but for now, I just got this really quick content to get out to you guys so that I don't miss a day of Vlogmas. I'm really sorry, but I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I'll see you guys soon. Mwah! Okay, I'm gonna take my milk primer and I'm gonna put that on my face. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl NeyahNecole, and I am back with another video. So I just used my Milk Hydro Grip Primer and shake this Milk of Magnesia up, and then I'm gonna put that on. So I'm just putting the Milk of Magnesia on my T-zone where I get super oily. I am filling in my eyebrows with the Benefit in the color, in the number 5. I use their pencil, I use their eyebrow gel, and the clear one. I love it personally. Now I'm going in with my Hourglass foundation. I love this stuff, okay? And just blend her out. And then I go in with the beauty blender to make sure that it's seamless, baby. You know, gotta blend, baby. Looking at this as I'm recording this voiceover, my foundation looks so much darker than my neck, but when I tell you in person, it doesn't look that bad. But I would rather my foundation be darker than lighter, but that's neither here nor there. Go ahead and conceal your face, boo. Vlogmas has me so stressed. I don't think y'all understand. Making sure y'all get content is stressful. As y'all can see, I'm using my lighter concealer because I want my highlight to pop a little more. I'm going in and blending my concealer with a brush before I do with my beauty blender. I just feel like you get more product and more coverage this way, but that's just me. Do what makes you happy, baby, okay? If you feel like it's working for you, continue to do that way. Now I'm going to just regularly set under my eye before I actually bake. Bringing some color back into my face with the Anastasia contour kit. Holy grail, can't live without it, okay? So I actually don't even have these blushes anymore. I returned them because they just looked very ashy on me, but that's neither here nor there. Go ahead and add some blush and blend it out. Going in with my James Morphe palette, just taking like the red orangey transition color he has in there, and I'm just blending that out. This eye is so simple, like so simple, so neutral, so perfect. Like anybody can do this. It's mostly about blending. Then you're gonna just take a neutral brown and just put it on your lid. This look that I did, it's more about the blending more than anything, just making sure that the colors are cohesive with one another. Alright, go ahead and wipe that powder off. Bring some oils back into your face, so spray your face. Go ahead and do your eyeliner. I don't know why I did my eyeliner at this point, but do your eyeliner. I swear my makeup routine changes every time I do my face, okay? So whatever the quickest is what I do. Just defining my contour just a little more because I wanted it a little stronger than what it was. Going down my nose, spray your face, add your highlight. Real simple. Put on your lashes. No look is ever complete without a lash, baby. You can't have all this makeup and not put on a lash. Like, who do you think you are without a lash? Go ahead and do your under eye. Me, based off my eye shape, I just feel like an under eye is necessary, or my eyes under look so bald and just not cute, okay? I go ahead and put my brow gel on my eyebrows, make them nice and fluffy and really cute, and fill it in a little more, and we are finito. Bye.